Good morning. Today we are discussing interface. Before going interface, first we discuss how to declaration of the class. So here one general form or syntax: class, class name, total two parts. First one is called as, here class is the keyword, class name is the name of the identifier. First one is called as field declaration. Second one is called as method declaration. Total two parts in the class representation. Same as here, field is nothing but just what are the datas. What is the data type declaration? In this declaration, we define the how many variables used in the program. Method or function declaration. What are the function? What are the methods are used in the Java program? We declared in the class. So today we are discussing interface. So interface is nothing but just this is the abstract values and field methods declaration. Just collection of constant value. So before interface, first inherency. Inherency is nothing but reusability. Reusability is nothing but without affecting the class, the new class introduced, that is called as inherency. In inherency also 5 types of inherency. One is single inherency, second one is called as multi-level inherency, third one is called multiple inherency, fourth one is called as hierarchical inherency, and last one is called as hybrid inherency. So here in Java, instead of multiple inherency, we say that one is called as interface. Okay, already say that interface is nothing but collection of abstract values, abstract methods. Here same, this one is called interface name. First one is called as field declaration. Second one is called as method declaration. Same this one, instead of class, here we mention that one is called as interface. Today we are discussing how to extend the class with interface. One program, that program is program for to find the circle, area of the circle and area of the rectangular using the class with interface. Okay, total two parameter. I will explain. First, observe here. Area of the circle is pi r square. Okay. Next, area of the rectangle is, for example, A is the side, A into A. Okay. But here one method, calculation of area of rect. Okay, two parameter definition, double x, double y. Observe here, this is two parameters. If you want to use it as here A into A, here pi r square. This program, how to implement the class with interface. Okay, we discuss with this one is called as one program. Observe here, I'll display using the system one program that is called as area of the circle and area of the rectangular. Observe here. This is the program to find the area. What is the area? Circle area and rectangular area. First observe, here total two classes. One is interface, and here abstract, final, static, double, constant value, pi is equal to 3.142, and double, compute is the method, here total two variables, here also two variables, or parameters. So here this is class is just calculation of x into y. Area of the rectangular is breadth into height. Here breadth is x, height is y. Okay. In area of the circle is pi r square. Pi r into r. Pi r square. So this is just click it. Pi r square. Here also two parameter. This class name implements interface name. Okay. Here also class name implements interface name. Total two methods, one interface. Now main class is observe here. This file name, one Java is there. CBR circle rect file name and class name must be same. So that's why class name, this is same because this is the main class. That's why this file name will be given as same. Public static void main rectangle. Rect is the object. This is used for the constructor. Automatically observe here this new circle, and directly I will rect dot compute 10.5, 20.5, two variables. Where is the rectangular? Madam, sorry. So this rect circle, observe here, total two values. Observe, rectangular, this is compute for the rectangular. Here total two values comes here. Written within one statement, one variable extra created and assigning. For example, here double area is equal to x into y. Written x into y. Instead of that writing within one sentence, written x asterisk y. This is same as area of the rectangular using the height into breadth or breadth into height. So this is x and y. Now this is same x and y, passing the values x and y. But here our formula is pi x square. Just this is using one extra double area is equal to pi into r. R means here x. Return area. So instead of area we written as directly pi r into r. So this x value, first value is calculated, and also now observe main program, total two creation of the object. One object is the rect, second object is the circle. So directly system instead of here will be written as one extra variable and calculate, and it will be printed. Otherwise directly rect dot object dot method, two values passing the method. Here also object dot method, total two variables passed to the method and calculated and print this the program. So this theme is, what is the theme of this one? How to implement the class with interface. This problem using the class. Total one is this class is the main class. Here total two classes. This is circle class, and here rectangular class. Total two classes. One is rectangular, another one is circle, and one interface. So this is class with how to extend the class with interface.